Good morning, dear Shem Stars. How are you all, students? I hope you all are safe at your home. Students, today we are starting with the question number 5 of our exercise 10.1 and try to finish till question number 10 today. So, students, fifth question is find the slope of a line which passes through the origin and the midpoint of the line segment joining the points P0, -4 and B8, 0. So that means we have to find the slope of a line which is passing through the origin as well as the midpoint of these 2 points. So first we will calculate the midpoint of these 2 points. So let A be the midpoint of PB. So midpoint is given by x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So here it becomes 8 plus 0 by 2 comma minus 4 plus 0 by 2, that reduces to 4 comma minus 2. Next is the slope of the required line, that is which is passing through the origin, that is 0 0 and this A point. So slope is given by change in y over change in x, that means minus 2 minus 0 over 4 minus 0, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. On simplifying, this reduces to minus 1 by 2. So thus the slope of the required line is minus 1 by 2. Now next question number 6 is, without using the Pythagoras theorem, show that these 3 points, that is 4, 4, 3, 5 and -1, -1 are the vertices of the right angle triangle. So let us consider these 3 points as the vertices of the triangle ABC. A as 4, 4, B as 3, 5 and C as -1, -1. Now here we will be proving this with the help of the slope. We know that the slope of two perpendicular lines is always -1. So we will find individually the slope of AB, BC and CA. Now here the slope of AB first, that is M1. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. 5 minus 4 over 3 minus 4, that reduces to -1. Next the slope of AC. So M2 reduces to -1 minus 4 over -1 minus 4, that is -5 by -5, that is 1. So clearly we can see that M1 cross M2 is -1. So which implies that AP is perpendicular to AC, hence our triangle is a right angle triangle. Next question number 7 is find the slope of the line which makes an angle of 30 degree with the positive direction of y-axis measured anti-clockwise. So here it is making an angle of 30 degree with the y-axis, and we know that for finding the angle it is always with the positive direction of x-axis. So that means we have to find this angle with the x-axis. For the same, as you can see here, if this angle is 30, which implies vertically opposite angle will be 30. If this one is 30, the other one is 90. So by exterior angle property, this will become 120. Hence, our line will be making an angle of 120 degree with the x-axis, and its slope is given by tan of theta, that is tan of 120 degree, and tan 120 degree is √3. I hope you understood. Students, we always find the angle with the x-axis, and if it is given with the y-axis, just transfer it to the x-axis first and then find the slope by tan theta. Next question number 8 is find the value of x for which these 3 points, that is x, -1, 2, 1 and 4, 5 are collinear. So students, if 3 points are collinear, that is lying on the same line, then their slope must be equal. So that is slope of AB must be equal to the slope of BC. So here we will find the slope by y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 formula. And on equating the two, we will get the value of x as 1. So thus for x equal to 1, the points ABC are collinear. So students, next question number 9 and 10 I am giving as a homework. Do try these 2 questions. And tomorrow we will start from the question number 11. That's all for today, students. Do revise what we have done in the class. And if you have any query, please feel free to ask on the Google Classroom. Take care and have a great day ahead.